Hello there. Are you prepared for the new normal? The COVID-19 pandemic situation has opened our eyes to the myriad of opportunities out there, particularly in digital marketing, in IT, in artificial intelligence, and in everything that you can think of. There are a number of courses that you must take for you to upgrade your skills and for you to position yourself for the new normal. My name is Juliet Leona. I am a lecturer and a podcaster. I enjoy helping people to become the best of themselves. Now let's move on to the courses that are available for you. Now, first on our list is the Google Digital Garage, which offers you the opportunity to learn at your own pace with personalized and intentional courses for you, for your own interest. It helps you to build your confidence. It helps you to project your advantages, your strength. It gives you the opportunity also to prepare yourself for the future and to maybe make sales for your business if you're a business person or if you're an entrepreneur. So why I particularly like this is because it has three overarching categories, which is one, the data and the tech, digital marketing, career development. So depending on what you're doing, depending on where you find yourself in, maybe you're a techie person, you're a data person, you can choose to go through the route of data and tech and take a course with them. Or you're trying to boost your business, you're trying to put your business in the digital space, because we're in the digital world right now and you cannot afford not to have your business in the digital space with almost how many billions of internet users. You should leverage on that opportunity for your business, and that is why this digital marketing is there for you. So you can take advantage of the digital marketing courses and click through them, find which is important for you, which is relevant for you, if it's to know how to position your business for potential buyers, potential sellers, potential investors. Next is the Stanford online free courses. You know why I particularly like this is that it offers you an affordable and flexible way to learn a new skill, to study new and emerging topics. It's because of the reservoir of information and reservoir of expertise prevalent that are available in this institution. It offers you the opportunity to get ahead and to get sufficient knowledge of emerging topics that you might not necessarily have access to. You can also learn from an accumulated years of experience from the Stanford instructors and industry experts at zero cost to you. Stanford online courses it has several categories, from health and medicine to education to engineering to arts and humanities, to a whole lot, depending on what area you are interested in for you to access. So for instance, let's say you want to learn about a course under health and medicine. A number of the courses offers you the opportunity to earn credits that you can actually use maybe in your university. That's the good thing about this Stanford online course. Next is iTunes. iTunes allows anyone with an iPad, an iPhone, or iPod Touch to learn from a pool of free educational content from leading schools, leading universities, museums, and cultural institutions. So the only limitation about this is that you have to have an Apple device for you to access these resources. So on this particular app, I took a course which is the Introduction to Chinese Language. It was from Peking University, and I learned something, even if it's just ni hao ma, at least I learned something. So you can access the variety and the myriad and plethora of courses that are available. You can also use it as an opportunity to get the latest skill, like maybe you want to up your graphic design skills, your Python. You also want to position yourself for opportunities in high demand fields like IT, like artificial intelligence, cloud engineering. Also, you might want to earn a certificate or a degree certificate, but you have to pay for that, which is usually a token, depending on university, depending on the course. Also, it has over 3,900 courses and specialization with over 13 professional certificates and 20 degrees that you can access from over 200 leading universities, which includes Stanford, includes Harvard, includes IBM, Google, Imperial College, and a host of them. So even if you're an employer of labor, you're an entrepreneur, and you're looking to organize trainings for your employee, so you can use the content on Coursera. you can fashion something in a way that they can access, they can access the same course, and you can maybe access them based on what they've learned on Coursera. So this is a fantastic platform for you to learn a skill, up your game, and be prepared for the new normal.
TED is like an offshoot of the popular TED Talk. They offer a variety of courses for you to learn, for you to watch. They are very short and yet powerful videos for you to watch and learn from. So I have embedded the links to all of this to all of these courses on this description, so you can just click on them and go through them, make a choice of what you want to study and study them. You can drop a comment. You can let me know what you think, what your thoughts are, and if you have any challenges, you can be sure that I will be there to help you. Until we meet again, bye for now.